Hello, everyone. I'm Guobin Wu from Didi. Thanks to organizer for inviting me to give a talk. At Didi, we strongly believe in the power of technology to build a better, more efficient, and convenient future for cities and citizens. Today, I would like to share a few learnings about how Didi implements technology into ride-sharing services and the way to transforming transportation from smart transportation to smart mobility. Later, I will also introduce how we collaborate with community by Didi Research Outreach Initiative. Didi Chuxing is the world's leading mobility technology platform. It offers a wide range of app-based services across Asia Pacific, Latin America, Africa, and Russia. So Didi provides app-based services, including taxi hailing, private car hailing, ride sharing, bus, bags and e-bags, designated driving, automobile solutions, delivery, freight, and logistics, and financial services. We provide car owners, drivers, and delivery partners with flexible work and income opportunities. It is committed to collaborating with policymakers, the taxi industry, the automobile industry, and the communities to solve the world's transportation, environmental, and implement challenges through the use of AI technology and localized smart transportation innovations. So Didi strives to create better life experiences and greater social value by building a safe, inclusive, and sustainable transportation and the local services ecosystem for cities of the future. Looking into the future, we believe the transformation will happen at 3 levels: shared mobility, smart vehicles, and smart transportation. So based on which Didi formulated its technological strategy named AI for transportation. The first is shared mobility. The ride sharing will further enable users to gain access to transportation services on an as-needed basis. There will be fewer people choose to own a car. If everyone chooses to share a vehicle, 30% vehicle will be enough to fulfill all the demand. Second is smart vehicles. EVs and AVs will gradually replace traditional cars, giving us a safer and more environmentally friendly future. The vehicles will become electric, more intelligent, and efficient. The third is transportation infrastructure. Urbanization has presented many challenges across the globe. In 2020, 60% of the 7 billion world population will live in cities. Transportation infrastructure change just can't keep up with urban growth. Besides, people and the cars will also have to think about roads, traffic lights, parking laws. The infrastructure and the cities need to get smarter. 3 keywords can be given as intelligent, networked, and collaborative. So later I will pick up some cases from 3 layers to introduce technology efforts at Didi. The first one is supply and demand management. Supply and demand management is very important to Didi ride-sharing services. Based on a huge volume of trip requests and driver location data, we develop algorithms to forecast the passenger demand and the driver supply in different areas at any given time to provide the most efficient mobility options. This is a map of Beijing. The city is divided into over 10,000 hexagon cells. The color of a cell represents the supply-demand imbalance. We can better match supply and demand, predict up to 15 minutes ahead of a time with an accuracy of 85%. So ensure cars where we need them, eliminates inefficiency from the system. The people querying in one place and the taxis gathering in another. So based on supply and the demand forecast, the algorithm can optimize resources within entire city. So deploy real-time predictive dispatch planning to even potentially supply demand imbalance and elevate the traffic congestion. The next example is the AR navigation and optimize the pickup points. The pickup location is very critical in mapping. So using AI technology, we create over 80 million virtual pickup points, which are green dots in the Didi app. The virtual pickup points have greatly reduced the friction between the drivers and the passengers during the pickup visit. However, if the passenger is in a huge venue like airports or big shopping mall, it's still difficult to navigate to the recommended pickup points. To further improve our user experience, we have developed AR-powered navigation experience. It can do step-by-step in your navigating, guiding the passenger to the pickup point. This is a real recording of the AR navigation in Beijing Capital Airport. So Didi is committed to becoming a provider or smart transportation services as we view people, vehicles, and the traffic lights as the essential components of our traffic system. By making use of Didi big data capabilities, the smart transportation brain will continue evolving to upgrade the integrated solution for urban traffic problems. Together with the Chinese traffic management authorities, we launched an integrated solution for smart city traffic management, nicknamed Didi Smart Transportation Brain. The Didi Smart Transportation Brain has been adopted by more than 30 Chinese cities. So integrating Didi's robust anonymized traffic data, as well as data resources from local government and the business partners, the solution facilitates real-time data leveraging cloud computing and AI-based technologies to provide cities with a range of transportation infrastructure improvements, including traffic flow management, smart traffic lights, reversible lanes, and traffic management programs for maintenance, scheduling, and system assessments. As a result, average traffic delays have been shortened by 10% to 20%. So in total, Didi has introduced smart transportation lights on over 2,500 intersections nationwide. With all these technologies and the strategy I have just spoken of, we are always seeking to establish Didi AI ecosystem for shared mobilities. So we will continue to invest in not only fundamental research in AI for transportation, but also research collaboration across the globe. So cultivation of international talents and various sorts of cooperation across the industrial chain. So while using technology to build a safer, more efficient, and a more environmental friendly, intelligent mobility ecosystem with better experience. So Didi is also committed to building a bridge of cooperation with universities and research institutions from the global. So through the research collaboration, talent cultivation, academic exchange, and technology open source. Together, we provide numerous industrial resources, applied cutting-edge technology to practice, explore high-tech innovations, and solve the world's major problems. We will jointly build a collaborative community for industry, science, and research to help talents grow and gather momentum for tech innovation and development. So speaking of collaboration with the community, I'd like to share a special program with you. So this year, we have upgraded our talent program to Didi Elite program and welcome all of top talents to join Didi. The Elite program includes Elite Intern, Elite Camp, Postdoc Station, and so on. Those programs are designed for students who are graduating in 12 months and major in computer science and technology. Priorities will be given to students who have a high potential and have made outstanding achievements in their fields. For example, the winners of top international competition in STEM, top ranked students in school, Rising Star with impactful papers, patents, or results. So for Didi Elites, so we will provide world-class challenge topics, great opportunities to work with experts, abundant resources, and a competitive compensation package to help the young grow the most. So you may check out the official website for more information. That's all my talk. Thanks for your listening.
Welcome to Didi Chuxing. Didi was founded in 2012 and has been dedicated to providing a full range of transportation services, including taxi, express, premier, luxe, bus, designated driving, enterprise solutions, bike sharing, e-bike sharing, automobile solutions, and food delivery. Didi has become the world's leading one-stop mobile transportation platform, serving 550 million users across Asia, Latin America, and Australia. Didi has provided tens of millions of flexible work opportunities and has exceeded 10 billion annual passenger trips. Since our establishment, we have put our mission to build a better journey into practice. Each outstanding user experience is ensured by our passionate team members who are committed to user value creation, data-driven thinking, win-win collaboration, integrity, growth, and diversity. We strive to ensure that our users travel in safety through technological innovations. We have launched accessible transportation, Didi Kids, and bilingual services to provide more comfortable experiences for our users. From 2018 to 2019, Didi's sustainable transportation service helped reduce CO2 emissions by 1,303,000 tons. We are cooperating with tens of cities on smart transportation, where we leverage big data and artificial intelligence to make urban transportation more efficient. In 2017, we set up Didi Labs in Silicon Valley, bringing together top industry professionals. Didi provides ride-hailing service in Brazil via the app 99, online hailing service in Mexico, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Panama, Australia, and Russia under the Didi brand, and taxi hailing service in Japan through a joint venture. Going forward, we will continue to place safety as our top priority, making breakthroughs in innovation and development. Didi strives to build safe, inclusive, and sustainable transportation ecosystems for our future cities. Didi, to build a better journey.